moved. Yeah, it's moved. Do they give you a bite, do they? Or?
Oh yeah, but the way his face is, he might not.
No.
Might be a bit too sore. I don't know.
He's moved with all the noise. Yeah. You can stretch that ladder out if you want to.
Where is he going? He's taking off. He's going inside. A bit more. Might be able to come down from the top.
No, there's his tail.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to come down from the top. I'll put it for you. An angle. Hold there.
Just don't throw it to me.
You're going to hold this bag, aren't you?
If you want, I will. I'm not too.
He's just gone. Son of a bitch.
Yeah.
Okay. Not sure if I'm gonna. He's moved. And now I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get him out.
I can come up and.
Here they are.
Oh,
here we
you
go.
got him.
There we go.
You want me to hold it?
Come on, buddy. What's going on here? Huh? Come on, keep coming. Keep on coming. Come on. Yeah, it's alright. It's alright. I've got some. Come on. It's alright. It's alright.
Oh, that was easy.
You've done a great job.
What was your fuss about?
Oh,
Come on, buddy. Let's get a better look at you, hey? Come on. A bit of blood on his head, so. Yeah.
This is Tim anyway, Matt, the principal.
How are you, Tim?
Got a bit of blood behind his eye by the look of it.
And, oh yeah, inside his eye.
Yeah.
And see he's sitting on an angle.
Hemorrhage.
He's lost
Oh,
a bit
yeah.
of middle ear or something. Something's going on with his balance. He keeps going sideways.
Yeah. Put him down, would you? Or?
I'll take him to someone who might have a look at him.
No.
Go and get him checked out, but possibly might be. It's all right, mate. Come on. Did that hurt you? I think it might have. You're a bit sensitive.
Yeah.
What sort of snake is it?
Green tree snake.
He's up in the aircon unit.
Was he?